Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Charlie Munger, Radhakrishnan Damani, all these stock market billionaires recommend long-term investing is the best way to create wealth in stock market and also compound your money. So to understand this system, I have read number of investing books and I have handled hundreds of clients and I can vouch that yes, long-term investing is the best way. That is how you compound your money in stock market. I can tell you long-term investing has created more many successful investors than any other way of investing in stock market. Hi, this is Tapan Doshi, a chartered accountant and a stock market expert. I have designed a bulletproof framework that is a thoughtful investor model framework after learning all the strategies from the above mentioned mentors. We have to provide only 2 words a week to this framework and that is enough. So even if you do not have a finance background, you can apply this model. I am going to conduct a free webinar for this framework. So what are the 3 secrets that you are going to learn in this webinar? Number 1, how to select a multi-bagger stock. Second, understanding when to buy, when to hold, when to add and when to sell the stocks. Third, how to create a powerful portfolio through a strong allocation strategy. And this session normally I charge rupees 1497, but for the limited seat I'm going to charge rupees 47 only. In this webinar I'm going to show you a complete framework through which you can compound your money. So do register for the webinar and see you there.